You might have heard of Unity as a gaming engine, behind titles like Pokemon Go,
Beat Saber, and Among Us.
That same technology is now being used across industry,
helping businesses bring products and processes to life through interactive 3D,
web,
mobile.
and cloud-ready solutions.
It's not about gaming anymore. It's about connection, clarity, and showing,
not telling.
Unity lets you create real-time interactive 3D models that run direct in a browser. No downloads, no specialist software.
We're talking web-ready configurators your customers can explore from anywhere.
Configure options,
Collaborate live,
navigate, review,
Swap materials.
all within a smooth, responsive 3D space.
Whether it's building a layout, a complex HVAC system, or a product you've yet to manufacture, these models don't just look good.
They deliver instant understanding, and that's where the real value begins.
Got a product that isn't built yet? That doesn't matter. Unity gives you a virtual version that can do the talking for you. Perfect for exhibitions, digital campaigns, or sending a link straight to a client. It becomes your showroom, spec sheet and sales team, all in one.
This isn't about showing off products. It's about engaging your customers with experiences, letting them explore, letting them see themselves using your solution. That's how you accelerate decisions and drive interaction.
These web-based experiences don't just stop at configurators. Unity powers architectural walkthroughs, federated facilities data, smart factory planning, even immersive VR training modules.
It's your system,
Your data.
And your vision, brought together in one seamless interactive platform, built for the web,
designed for your users.
At Cadspec, we don't just use Unity. We help you use it with intent.
Our consultancy-led approach tailors each experience to your business goals, whether that's customer engagement, skills training, or a full digital transformation.
You bring the vision.
we bring it to life.
This is modern marketing.
This is interactive selling.
This is customer engagement
Reimagined.
And it's all possible right now with Unity
and the team at Cadspec.
It's just the start.